Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to see your emergency contacts on your iPhone in 2025. In today's fast-paced world, having easy access to this feature could be a real lifesaver, especially in unexpected situations. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through it step by step. So, grab your iPhone and let's dive in. First things first, why is this important? Emergency contacts allow first responders to get critical information about you, like who to call or any medical conditions, even if you're unable to speak. With the latest iOS updates in 2025, Apple has made this even more straightforward and secure. To get started, unlock your iPhone and open the Health app. It's the one with the green heart icon on your home screen. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture or icon in the upper right corner. This takes you to your personal summary page. Next, scroll down until you see Medical ID and tap on it. If you haven't set up your medical ID yet, you'll be prompted to do so, but if it's already configured, you'll see all your details right there. Look for the section labeled Emergency Contacts. That's where you'll find the list of people you've added, including their names, phone numbers, and any notes. Pro tip: double check that your contacts are current. You can edit them by tapping the Edit button at the top of the screen. Also, remember that in an emergency, first responders can access this info from your locked screen by swiping up and tapping Emergency. And there you have it. That's how you view your emergency contacts on your iPhone in 2025. It's simple, quick, and could make a big difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching and stay safe.